Hi, it's Christine doing a review for the KitchenAid ice cream attachment. I like this attachment because I can make ice cream anytime I want. It is a bit heavy though. It's a little over 5 pounds. What you do is place it in the freezer for 4 hours at least. So to attach this, you just take the smaller attachment with the spring. It depends on if your KitchenAid model has a spring or not. Without a spring is the A side, with a spring is the B side. It simply snaps in place. For the bowl, it simply twist locks in place. You just place the bowl into the KitchenAid and then twist to secure. And for the paddle, you just put it into the bowl and align it with the attachment you place above. Don't forget to secure your KitchenAid, plug in your KitchenAid and put it on stir. Then you take your ice cream batter and you slowly pour it into the KitchenAid ice cream bowl while it's on stir mode. Need it to keep running for at least 20 minutes. This is how it looks halfway. And this is the finished product of how it looks like when it's done. Don't forget to turn off your machine. All you have to do is just twist to unlock and then pull the paddle out just like this. Look at this texture of this ice cream. Wow. Don't forget to unplug your KitchenAid before you start to remove all the other attachments. Let the bowl thaw in the sink so you don't ruin it. And this is how my ice cream looks like after it's been in the freezer for a while. I would totally recommend this.